What's up guys, and welcome back to Veg on Pennies. So today I thought I would show you guys the lunches I ate over the past week. So as always, it's going to be easy and vegan recipes, and without any further ado, let's just get started. So on Monday, I felt like something a little bit more Asian-y, so I just cooked up this really easy beef and broccoli dish. So I started off with the basics, so onion, garlic, and ginger. Then I just used some Beyond Burger meat patties, and I just thawed those in the pan with some oil, fried them up really nicely, added some frozen broccoli, made a quick little sauce to go with it, and next thing you know, it was ready. So I love this dish because it's really simple to make. And yeah, if you need more details, I already made a video on it. It's going to be linked to the cards. On Tuesday, I felt like having something a little bit more fiesta-y or like Mexican or like Hispanic, I don't really know. So I just started off by making some tortilla, some dough, and then I also made cut up some onions, cut up some tofu, and then I just fried it up in the pan. Yeah, really basic again. Then I added some spices, so I think chili powder. I did the basics as well, like onion and garlic and all that. Then I added some frozen corn, some diced canned tomatoes, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, I did some white beans, and I let my dough rest for about 10 minutes, and then I just cut it up in small tiny pieces, about 8 pieces, and then I just used my rolling pin to make tortilla shapes. And yeah, you already know the rest. You just throw the tortilla in your pan, you cook it up, and then you have all those little tortillas with your dish. So I also had some leftover nacho cheese, so I ate it with that. So really easy and simple. On Wednesday, I actually ate some carrot hot dogs. So I recently made a video on that as well. So yeah, this one was really easy. In particular, I just followed a Pinterest recipe. I was just taste testing them because I've never made carrot hot dogs before, so it was just something really fun for me to try out, and I was pleasantly surprised by how they turned out. If you want to see my full reaction and how to make them, the process, you can go ahead and click the link in the cards. Like I said, I recently made a video about it. I made some really quick fennel pasta, so yeah. I made some, like I said I would do, so I just made some spaghettini with some fennel because I had some fennel. I also added some broccoli, some sausage, crumbled sausage, and then I topped it off with some goat cheese, not goat cheese, sorry, Gouda cheese, and also added a sprinkle of lemon rind, and also some fennel leaves, as you can see. So this is what it looks like, and yeah, if you want me to do a detailed recipe about this dish, I will gladly make one because I just whipped it up really quickly and it looks really good. So I'm so excited to dig in and taste it. So on Friday, I just had this simple dish with yellow rice, barbecue tofu, and a simple balsamic salad. So as you can see, here is my barbecue tofu and onions. Here is my yellow rice. I can make a recipe on that once I perfect it. And here is my really easy balsamic vinegar salad. So that's what I ate on Friday. I hope you guys enjoyed what I ate this week. I will definitely keep making more of those, and I can make more in-depth recipe if you need some of those as well. But yeah, let me know if you enjoyed it by leaving me a comment. You can also like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.